Okay, so I sanded this down, put a little bit of primer on there. Still has to completely dry, but that scratch is gone. Here, put those little things in here. I'm going to put some Bondo in here before we go. We're only working half a day today. And yeah, then we'll see what happens. And over here, Woon is putting this back. We put the wipers back in. Oh, here, bring that down. Shove that wiper through there. No. Bring it down. Bring it down. Now put it through. And now put it back up. Okay. And we put this cover back in there and put a little bit of primer on the behind it and around these covers here. Put some right underneath that rubber behind that molding there. We put some primer. The wipers are just anywhere. They're not adjusted or anything because they will have to come back out when we paint this black, and of course the wipers will have to be also painted black. So right now they're just up there, yeah. And these little things here, little orange dots there, I have to take the little sprayer nozzle out to pull them out, but we'll do that later. So right now, Woon is done with that light assembly there, and she's going to take this off of the trim. Yeah, all right, let's get busy and we'll update you later. Okay, so here we are. There's this luggage bay there. We put a bit of stiff thin cardboard, and then I put the Bondo on there. So what I will do is tomorrow, because we're only going to stay here half a day and it's already almost 12. Tomorrow I will give it a quick sand over this thing, and as you can see, the little indentations there are not full yet. I want it to grab, and then I want to put another layer on top of that. I forgot to put some Bondo there. So tomorrow I'll sand it, put some more Bondo, try not to forget that thing there. I'm going to see about removing this tomorrow, and yeah, we'll go from there, see what happens. Now on the front side, that thing is back up, the windshield wipers, yeah, that's all ready, the plate's back on, and I will remove this on the other side tomorrow. And we're going to work on the back bumper first, but one of these days when I turn this around, we'll work on this one. But the big thing is, we need to work on this door here. I've got the actuators ordered. One is on its way, the other one is on back order until September 15th or 20th or something. That has a locking actuator, so yeah. This thing here is the old strap for pulling this thing here. I think it's still in good condition. We'll put it back in there, but we'll go from there. Yeah. And back here, oh, this one doesn't have the blue. This one here, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to eventually take this bumper off because it's not quite lined up in here. I think what I'm going to do is remove these bumper guards. I'm going to go with just the bumper. Then of course we need to work on this going all the way around. I need to get up there and sand that down. Yeah, slowly but surely we're getting it. And eventually we were done with the sanding. All right, we'll update you later. this as far as I can reach, all the way around, and then go all the way around, and then we have to sand this whole top. We haven't done that. We've been spending a lot of time concentrating on somebody to weld this, but I guess it's not going to happen. All right, let me get busy.
Okay, go on.
Oh, you know what? Put some of those right there, up here before you finish filming.
Okay, Josh, what you doing?
Well, I'm gonna put the first coat of Bondo on here, and then let it dry. So if we come tomorrow,
Can sand it.
we'll sand it.
You done one? Okay.
If you could see, and this is a very rough coat, so if you can see here, this has the first coat, but you still have the little knobs showing here. So now when we do that other one there, then we'll send this one too. But if you can notice, it's starting to clump up. So
Yeah.
I made it a little hot so it sets quickly. So yeah, this here is a little deep, so it's gonna need a little bit more, but that's okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow's another day.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วฟ้ากันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
บ๊ายบาย